Let's go, let's go, let's go! Tara, it's our day 2. Ang lakas ng ulan kagabi. Sobrang taas ng tubig. Tignan nyo mamaya, kulay brown. Pati din stop us from enjoying the day. Puro swimming kami. Let's go, let's rewind! Hey guys, day 2 namin. Dito kami sa Camp Award. What an adventurous night kami. Dahil mulan buong gabi sa tubig nga dito sa tent 1 namin, pero nawala na naman ito. Ito ang river, masyadong malakas kagabi nga nag-ground, pero I believe mawawala yan mamaya. So ayan ang situation namin, but okay naman tong tent. Nag-hold up siya, hindi kami pinasok ng tubig, and hopefully clearer sky na, maganda na, no? And umayos itong river. Lakas kagabi ko pa yan narinig ayan sobrang daming ulan. Ayan, so goal namin is to swim lang dito sa camping trip. Okay, so see you around. Here is Bagong Silang. Doon yung Bagong Silang barangay papunta doon. Tapos meron silang malalim na parang river pond doon na ginawa nila. So marami nagsiswimming na locals doon sa area doon. This is the private campground. It's breakfast time. Yeah. What are we having for our first breakfast? Eggs and bacon. Nice. Eat, grind, and brew. Let's go eat! Coffee, bacon, and egg. Sausaw natin. Gumawa ako ng kanal dito para may divert yung ulan ditong bumabagsak sa rock. Swimming tayo mamaya. Kakabit ko na to. Kakabit yung camera dito. Our first lunch time. Here's Nikolai. Yeah. There's mom. Whoop. There's the pineapple. Pineapple juice or pineapple? Okay.
I'm so hungry.
Time to eat. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Serious muna sa kainan. And for our dessert, homemade mango sago by Bossy. Ayan. Yeah. Na-try ko na to, masarap to. Punta lang kayo sa Yellow Basket pag gusto nyo bumili So, we found a dishwashing area. Actually, dito yan para sa sa cabin na to, but walang naka-check-in. We can use it kasi ito lang kami. Yan, lapit lang. But exclusive yan pag may naka-check-in. Since malapit ito sa amin, mas maganda dito kesa doon sa walk to 3 minutes. Yan. Si boss ang naghugas ngayon. Thank you. Swimming and try to do mini boating. Yan. Hi Nikolai.
Hi!
Oh, nice. Ayan. So, yeah. Luminaw na yung tubig. Kaninang umaga yung video ko kulay brown. But now, it's clean again. It's time to pump our boat!
One more.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! We're gonna go! Ang sarap nito. Gumawa pala ako ng mas mahaba and comprehensive na snorkeling, boating, and swimming namin. Hindi kasi ito mapifit dito sa mga daily camping vlogs namin. So, check out our playlist. There you go. There's a lot of big rocks here. We did our water activities for 3 days and about 3 to 4 hours each day. We're gonna name the places.
It's called Mango.
Okay. Let's go snorkeling. Hindi ko akalaing ang dami pa ng isda dito. Siguro na-stranded sila dun sa water rushing down. May mga blue-colored fish din, and iba't ibang shapes and sizes. May pahaba, may malalaki. Then after nagmuni-muni na lang kami, we built stone dam and nagpick kami ng mga fallen leaves sa river. Sun's out a little bit. Ayan kami, nag-chill sa riverside. Yeah. I thought it's a picture. So, meron kaming kasama na ngayong gabi. Ayun, campers. So, hindi na kami solo tonight. Hope dinner is getting ready. It's pork chop. With ketchup. Time for dinner almost. This noodles and pork chop. We have mango and
One pork chop now.
watermelon. Pork chop now, not tomorrow, not next day. Now. So far so good. Walang ulan. Hope there's no rain. Tapos na dinner. Muni-muni ulit. Fairy Diwata muna daw siya mag-modeling. Yeah! Camp Awol at night. On a weekday. It's very quiet. Meron isang campers na kasama namin. Kagabi wala kaming kasama. So, I think there's also one cabin. Ngayon si Bossing, oh. Naghahanap, ghost hunting daw siya. Ooh. Yeah. Pero maganda dito sa Camp Awol. Ganda na nga yung water eh. Super white na. Ay! Sino yun? Dito yata yun. Yan. Usually pag holiday dito, dire-diretso yan. Pakyan ng mga campers. Pati doon sa kabilang side. But kaya kami pinipili namin yung weekdays din. Kasi tahimik. So, nature ang camping namin. So, yan. Try nyo rin tong Camp Awol. Maganda rito at mababait ang mga employees nila. Okay. Tapos na ang day ito namin. It's around 10 p.m. So, we're gonna sign off. Oh, may white baby. For our day 2. Hopefully, it don't rain, but hopefully looks good, no? Okay. Ayan. So, night guys. We're signing off for our day 2. See you on our day 3. Bye. Woo.